Welcome to the channel. My name is Nelson. Welcome to Nelson POV. We also got baby cat POV. This is one of our 5 little rescue kitties, abandoned. Their eyes are a little messed up, but we are treating them, but it's just simply not going away. And there's 5 of them, so that could be it. And man, oh man, you need a bath. You want to say hi? Say hi, little buddy. They are our shop little cats. This is my little helper today. We have, I forgot how to pronounce it, Nilight. It's a tail light assembly. These fit 2007 to 2012 Chevy Silverados. Do not jump. I already replaced one just to kind of get a feel for it before I did the other one, and I gotta tell you, first of all, they look great, right? This one is fogged up. It's old. It's probably an original from 2012. It was on there very, very snug, and it was, I gotta tell you, there's some little tiny things. This is obviously a China brand. Let's open up the box, and it came like this. Oh, sorry there, little buddy. It comes with gloves, so let's definitely do that because mine is a little dirty, a little dusty. Also, I do not have a name for the cat, unless this is, oh yeah, this is Little Boots, because he has these little black stripes right here in the back. Here you go, buddy. At least that's what we call him. If you guys can come up with a different name, that'd be awesome. Oh, you want to see what's in there, huh, Boots? But we call him Boots for now, but I don't know about that name. Now, the one thing you're gonna see here is that they do come, the entire assembly. It does not have screws, but it does have some instructions. And the installation instructions, I mean, they're basically how to install it on a Silverado. Pretty easy. It has a giant silicone, so this is to keep the water out. And they are really nice. I need to replace this side really badly because of this crack, and water is going in. They are getting oxidized, and it's just really bad. Man, I love these gloves. Oh, so cool that they give you gloves. Comes with the light bulbs, and it comes with the entire harness. I'll show you that right now in a minute. It does come with these right here, but they want you to reuse the screws. No screws necessary. Now, there is some tools you will need. Screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, flat. I had to use this cutting tool and this right here, mostly for this. Now, they come with this kind of protection thing, which I understand you got to protect it, but I just don't know if these are tabs. So I basically had to cut these off, and that took the longest out of the entire repair, was cutting this part off, which is so weird. I just don't understand that. I am not going to be using the harness either, and that kind of creates its own set of problems. Honestly, these were, thought they were going to be a little easier to install, but they were not. They were actually kind of not difficult, but weird, and I will be showing you that right now. So here's the other harness, extra parts, right? That's what you're going to see with these tail lights, extra parts. They are nice, they are beautiful, they are original, they do fit like the original. You just got to maneuver them a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is put that down so it's nice and safe. Let me remove this one. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Aw, cats love boxes. Hi, buddy, you comfortable in there? If you guys look in the comments section, also in the description, I'll put a link to these, so you can purchase them. I will also put some links to my Amazon stuff. If you guys purchase anything on there, it helps me out greatly. So these are off, and actually these came off really easy. The other side was on there. The other side was also a lot dirtier. So let's start with this. Let's start with this top one. Maybe this one will be easier. They only go in one way because they have 3 tabs, and they have like 2 smaller ones and 1 bigger one. So you can't put them on wrong, but I have seen people install these incorrectly, which is just crazy. So you see it just has these and then these. Now, my complaint with this, look at that, oh my god, disgusting. Yeah, thank god they sent me these. They were super cool, super nice about everything, and I'm pretty sure if I told them something about this, they would help me out with something though too. Very communicative. So these ones, I just don't understand. This is a China brand, so I don't know if I'm supposed to squeeze on these tabs here. You see how they squeeze and then pull it out? But I just cannot do it. This is the hardest part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut this off. There goes that. Yeah, you see those extra parts? I just had to take them off in pieces, which is terrible. And then my biggest concern is me doing that maybe the silicone might move or something and might mess it up there. So I'm hopefully not. Hopefully these do not get water on them like my old ones. If they do, I will remove them and put silicone on. But see, that's the easiest way that I found, just to cut the tops and kind of break this piece off, which is so dumb. That's the one thing I hate the most, is when everything is like easy and then the hardest part is something you do not expect, something that's supposed to be super easy, so maybe something that's not even supposed to be there. Oh my god, there goes my truck. We'll keep that a secret, okay? It's our little secret. The truck's fine. Okay, there you go. Yeah, so if anyone can tell me what's up with this, I'd be real happy. Put it in the comment section what I'm supposed to do with these and how I'm supposed to remove these, or if I'm just supposed to cut them off. I don't know. All right, with that aside, we're gonna move on to the installation. Oh, he's cleaning himself, thank God. You're getting a bath tonight. Here, play with this. You're such a cutie. They love being petted. Yeah, they were abandoned by their mom, and it's a litter of 5. And we do love cats, but they are a little overwhelming to have 5 of them. I'm in Turlock, California, if anyone's interested in a kitty or 2. All right, and if you have one, I understand too. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install our tail lights. So what you want to do is look for the biggest one. So this one has 2 big ones and 1 small one. The small one is this one, so like that. Perfect. I really like that they lock in really nice and tight. So this one has 2 big ones, 1 really big one. Wow, this side was super easy, super great. I'm gonna pull this back a little bit, just on the edges, not completely off. Okay, it's all pulled back. Now let's install it into these holes in the back. Beautiful. But give it a little push. A little wiggle, a little push. There we go. Now, there you go. See the holes? We're just gonna install the other hardware that we had already. And what I don't like either is it's a really kind of a tight fit. It almost feels like I'm gonna break it, and I don't like that. It's like a breaking sensation, but I'm just like, you know, yeah, you see, like, to give it a lot of force, and then it eventually gives in. It eventually opens up after I screw it a little bit. Sometimes you just gotta not give a hoot. There you go. You didn't like it, but you gotta do it. This side too. Yeah, just starting it. Now I gotta do this one. Let me do this one. Yeah, getting it started on that hole. I don't know if it's because like it's a brand new hole. Hasn't been broken in yet. This is an old screw. Yeah, just really tight. But after a couple turns, after just kind of forcing your way into it, it's fine. Gosh darn it. I don't know why it's got to make such a fuss. But yeah, it almost felt like you were going to break it. Which is sometimes, I guess that's what you got to do, just kind of break it in. What are you doing, little cat? Oh, don't give me that meow. I even brought you a slice of pizza. I know it's Little Caesars, not the best, but it's a slice of pizza. You are one wicked cat. So now we can rip this piece off. Woo! Oh my God, she looks great. The fit, it's got a bit of a line here and up towards here. I did hear a pop. I'm not gonna be able to do anything with it now. So the fit is like an 8. Oh my goodness, you're crazy. The fit is like an 8 out of 10. Let me see, I think this one fit a little better, but I saw the original ones too. They did have a small gap here, so look at yours before you install these. That's what it looks like. I mean, it's an 8 out of 10, which is very good, very passable, maybe even 9 out of 10. It's just those little dumb things. Like, this was the worst part. This was literally the worst part. It's cool that it comes with the harness and extra bulbs. You don't really need it. It would just be better if it just came with the bulbs, I guess, but how would they do that too? It's cool that they gave you the harness, but I just don't want to reach up in here and pull the whole harness out or go through the bottom and do that kind of stuff. It is cool that they added it on just in case you need it, because I've had cases on a Dodge Ram where the harness was burnt out, not the actual bulbs. But this is not a Dodge Ram, this is a Silverado, but it's still pretty cool. This is the way they came packaged in. Here is the harness. I'll just put everything away. I mean, I could keep these light bulbs too for future, which is really cool. This is the hardware that I broke. I'll just throw it in here. Why the heck not? I don't need it. My tools. Guys, that's the video how to install these Nilights. These are really cool. I think they're pretty awesome. I think they look great on my truck. I really needed it because this is a badass kind of like lifted type of a truck. You see, it's a 2012 Silverado, 4-wheel drive, single cab V8, 5.3. It's got like 33 by 10 wheels on it, off-road thread. It's got a 2-inch lift in the front. Yeah, so it's just a really badass truck, and it really needed these. So thank you guys so much for them. Like always, like, comment, subscribe. I'm really humbled by your guys' appreciation, by your guys' commitment to watching my videos. It's so amazing. Thank you guys so much. That's the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I love you guys. Bye.